Welcome to my channel. I'm Yojiro. I want to share a story about making a wedding gift for my best friend. Last year, he got married and asked me to make a sculpture in an organic shape, which I typically make. And other than that, they let me handle everything from design to finish. So I started from gathering up some keywords. They are getting married, so marriage is the first one. From that, I can think of eternity and becoming a new family. In other words, to be independent. Second word is their characters. It's going to be their stuff, so I want their character. They're bright people, then the word gonna be bright. Now I have three keywords, and that's plenty to work with. For eternity, the shape of the sculpture can show that part. Bright can simply be shown by making it into a lamp. A new family, I'll make the sculpture stand out so that it's independent from the surroundings. Here's the composition. There's a base and an object is on top of that. The base is gonna separate the object from the surroundings to be independent. The object on top of that lights up, and it has to be beautiful. Here's a sketch. There's a marble stone used at the base, again to be independent, ring on top to represent the eternity, a glass hanging in the middle is lit by the bottom, and the glass diffuses light. Second one, which I actually made for this project. Again, it's marble stone on the bottom. For eternity, I imagined of the couple hugging and holding a light together. In the middle is a glass and diffuses the light. Same composition, right? Now that the idea is ready, I've 3D printed the model to check for the size and the shape. It didn't end there. I wanted to explore more into the shape, so I put some clay over it and see if it can be one of a choice. In this phase, I've invited the couple to see the model. Glad that they liked both, so I decided to leave the choice by simply leaving enough materials for the hills and valleys of the shape. If they felt like they don't need one, then I can shave it off. Okay, now you can watch me work on the actual build. Enjoy. It is finished and I was able to place it on their wedding party. I am so happy they gave me this opportunity, and more than that, the couple and visitors liked the sculpture. There were lots of challenges, like the wooden sculpture needs to stand with a small portion of contact to the marble base, and at the same time, routing its electric wire without it being visible. By overcoming the challenges, it came out simple and clean. Oh, and it is not only the appearance I was working on, the light can be adjusted from warm color to cool color, dark to bright as well. I can say this project came out successfully. Special thanks to my colleague for the glass making and you guys for watching until the end. I'm planning to share more projects and stories, so if you want to see more, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.